Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're not doing hair or makeup. OMG. It's been like weeks since I've done anything clothing or fashion related, which I have been getting stuff. I just haven't been showing it on the channel, which I will work on that. But just so happenly today, after I finished filming another video, which you guys may know what that video is, my shoes came. So I ordered some Nike Air Force One Sage Low. I have never owned a pair of Nike Air Force Ones. Not necessarily my thing per se. I heard they're really comfortable, but I got my husband a couple pair and he keeps talking about how great and comfortable they are. So when the Sage Lows came out and I saw this beige, I was like, I think I may want that. Yeah, I think I may want that. And so I went ahead and got them. So here they are. I'm really excited that they're here. Let's open them up. Huh. Okay. These look pink. They say beige on there. But these look pink. So the difference between these and the regular Air Force Ones is that this is a platform. So yeah, these are more pink. Okay, well it says on there, it says Nike Air Force One Sage Low. They retail for $100. I got it in a size 12 because that's what I normally wear. It says taking both height and craft to new levels, the Nike Air Force One Sage Low features a platform midsole and a pared down, I think this means pared down, upper for a bold yet feminine look. Yeah, it says particle beige, phantom, and particle beige. So maybe I assumed. But yeah, these are more pink. And I'm getting more into pinks per se. I do have a pair of pink Tartes, but yeah, I thought they were going to be beige. So you know, when you're like, oh, they're going to be beige, and they turn out to be like a pink. And okay, so this part is like a suede, it's suede-y type of leather maybe, and this is fabric. This is like a fabric. Yeah. Okay. How about we try these babies on? Okay guys, so I actually really like the shoe on, even though it's pink and not beige. However, my toe is all the way at the top. Like I feel it rubbing against the front. So I'm not sure if I'm just going to, these only go up to size 12. They don't come in a size 13. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but yeah, I like the way they look on. They're a pretty shoe. And I would think I would need to put something on this so that it doesn't stain, because these aren't leather, but they're really comfortable. Oh my gosh, I put my foot in this and I was like, oh, what cushion is that? I don't feel super tall or anything of that nature because of the platform. So yeah, I really like these. Yeah, I really like these. I wish they were beige still, and I kind of wish I could go up about a half a size, but yeah, they're super comfortable on the bottom of my feet. just my toe is all the way at the top and I feel it. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys. This is a quick video about these Nike Air Force One Sage Low. And yeah, I hope it helped you to see that, yeah, they're pink, not beige. All right, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, I like them. Pink and all.